See the new Playboy? Good? Bo Derek's tits. I like sex. People on lewd should not drive.
Hey, you're crazy, Spicoli. That light was red.
It was yellow a minute ago, I'm sure.
You're gonna wreck my brother's car.
No, I'm not. I drive, you navigate. Where is this party?
You're gonna wreck my brother's car.
You said he was out of town. All right, then don't hustle it.
My brother's gonna kill us. He's gonna kill us. He's gonna kill us, and then he's gonna shit.
Hey man, just be glad I had fast reflexes. Make up your mind, dude. Is he gonna shit or is he gonna kill us?
First he's gonna shit, then he's gonna kill us.
Relax. My old man is a television repairman. He's got the ultimate set of tools. I can fix it.